to talk today about whether VBA is dead. Now, they've been saying VBA is dead for the last 10 years, but there's some things we need to still use VBA for. So when it comes to large data, Power Query, Lambda functions, scan function, map functions, and have VBA beaten in the shade. It's like no contest. It's faster, better, and at big data, and that's great. And still, we have the problem of VBA not being able to be used on mobile functions, iPads, anything like that. So that's when the power functions really work. But there are some things that VBA still does. So let's go through a few of them. One of them is user forms. You can't make a user form with Power Query. So a user form gets the right data entered in the right place, and then you have buttons that process the data and put it in where it's supposed to be. The second one is sending emails. So you have a long list of emails that, so you have hundreds and hundreds of emails that you need to send. You can't do that with Power Query. You have to go back to VBA, and guess what? You can send them. So I'm going to click on and here goes another thing. Here's our button that you do with VBA as well. So we're going to send emails. And there you go. There's my email created instantly with VBA working in the background. Okay, so now the last and final one that we have that's big time, it's interacting with other Office applications. So to create letters, to automatically copy it to PowerPoint, to Outlook, PowerPoint, Word, you need to have VBA to combine Excel with these. So here we go again. We're going to create letters. One more time, you could have thousands of people on this list. I just have me. So let's create a letter. And there you go. There's my letter, Barb, Country Road, Sherwood Park, and here it is. So that's one of, could be thousands. So if you have online data, you need to work with the Power Pivot. You need to work with the scan functions, the Lambda functions. But if you're using just if you're using this on your local computer, sometimes VBA does seem to be the better thing for these functions. Please subscribe.